everyone, and welcome to the Solid State Watch. I'm Shannon Davis, the web editor for Solid State Technology, and now let's take a look at the top headlines we've been tracking from November 7th through November 13th, 2014. Following negotiations on the sideline of the APEC leaders meeting in Beijing, President Obama announced a bilateral agreement on the product scope of an expanded information technology agreement, a key trade pact that promotes fair and open trade by providing duty-free treatment of certain information and communication technology products. The new product scope announced includes next-generation semiconductors, static converters and inductors, as well as an array of technology products including medical devices, GPS devices, software media, testing instruments, and others. This bilateral agreement will enable all negotiators to return to Geneva to finalize a plurilateral information technology agreement deal with full talks targeted for December. An expanded information technology agreement provides the first opportunity to include newly developed products resulting from the dynamic technological developments in the information technology sector since 1996, when the agreement was originally concluded. Worldwide silicon wafer area shipments increased during the third quarter 2014 when compared to the second quarter area shipments, according to the Semi-Silicon Manufacturers Group in its quarterly analysis of the silicon wafer industry. Total silicon wafer area shipments were 2,597 million square inches during the most recent quarter, a 0.4% increase from the square inches shipped during the previous quarter. New quarterly total area shipments are 11% higher than the third quarter 2013 shipments, according to SEMI. SEMATECH this week announced that Dr. Ronald Goldblatt has been named President and Chief Executive Officer by the company's Board of Directors. Dr. Goldblatt has served as Acting President and Chief Executive Officer since April 2014. Dr. Goldblatt joined SEMATECH as Vice President of Technical Strategy and Operations in September 2013. Previously, he served as Distinguished Engineer and Senior Manager of Advanced Silicon Science and Process Technology for IBM Research and Microelectronics Division in Yorktown Heights, New York. The Semiconductor Industry Association this week announced that its Board of Directors elected Brian Kresnick, CEO of Intel, as its 2015 chairman. Kresnick became CEO of Intel in May 2013. He has progressed through a series of technical and leadership roles at Intel, most recently serving as the COO since January 2012. Prior to becoming COO, Kresnick held senior leadership positions within Intel's manufacturing organization. Kresnick began his career at Intel in 1982 in New Mexico as a process engineer. For more industry headlines during the week, be sure to follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. For Solid State Technology Magazine, I'm Shannon Davis. Thanks for watching and see you next week.